All right, we're on page 121, and we are still talking about absolute values. You may notice we have some absolute value symbols here. These lines on either side, both sides of our number, -8, show that we're talking about absolute value. What we're going to do with absolute value is we're going to use our symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. So the first thing we have to do is realize that if we're talking about absolute value, there's a better way of writing the absolute value for -8. Remember, absolute value is the distance -8 is from the number line, so the absolute value for -8 would simply be 8. So we need to sort of cross off that absolute value of -8 and write down what the actual absolute value would be, which is 8. Now you're asking yourself, -8 is less than 8. So that would be less than. For number 7, it's 13, and the absolute value of -13, well, the absolute value of -13 would simply be 13. 13 is equal to 13. For this one, it's the absolute, this is number 8, the absolute value of -23 would simply be 23, and the absolute value of -24 would simply be 24. So 23 is less than 24. Absolute value, go ahead and cross them off and put in what the number would be. And remember, we are not going to have any negative numbers for the absolute value. We have 8, 13, 23, and 24.